Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, April 22nd. The volatility we saw in these markets on Friday based on the action that we're seeing in the Middle East, fairly volatile. What's also interesting is how it finishes. How does it react? And then how does it absorb that information? That's what I think we're seeing in these candle charts. Now let's talk about the S&P. If you haven't looked at these videos before, these are daily candle charts. The concept is a swing trade which lasts one day to possibly a few weeks. The intent is not buy and sell recommendations. I'm just trying to share with you ideas that I hope you find helpful. The green line represents buy, the red line represents sell. So up here, the dashed line means that that's something that happened prior in the week. And the difference here between that sell and buy level in the S&P, to give you an example, that difference is $900 a contract. Over in the NASDAQ market, again, you can see the drop based on the Middle East tensions. The dollar difference up here is make sure that's right, $600 a contract. Do I look for further movement down? Be guarded on that. The market's digested what's happened. Now Asia has not had a chance to do that. And since we're looking at futures, it'll start trading 5 o'clock Chicago time, a Sunday night, and we'll have a chance to see how those markets react. I don't look for dramatic movement down. In the Dow, the difference between the sell and buy level in that market, $2,745 a contract, bouncing on the low, and it looks like it does indeed want to go higher on Monday. In the E-mini Russell, the dollar difference in the small caps between the sell and buy level in that market is $3,900 a contract. This is really in a neutral zone trade. It's bullish for Monday. Let's see if those buyers can follow through. The euro, the difference between the sell and the buy level in that market, to give you a reference, is $1,925 a contract. Look for a sideways move there. Look at what we're seeing in the Swissy. Huge volatility, but again, look at how it absorbed it. How did it finish at the end of the day? At the end of the day, the dollar got stronger. Japanese yen trades above its buy level. That difference in that market is $650. No, it's not. It's $225 a contract, and it failed to hold on to the buy side. And this is so cheap. Watch out for central bank intervention. Aussie dollar traded from that sell level to that buy level, $900 a contract. Again, bouncing on the lows. It implies that the Aussie dollar could get stronger. But boy, the British pound stayed weak going into the weekend. Canadian dollar, the difference between the sell and buy level in that market, $770 a contract. This is not a confident market. Bitcoin's not a confident market either. The difference between the sell level down to that buy level, excuse me, to give you that reference, what is the dollar value of that change? That is $28,425 a contract. And what are we looking for? That's the difference here. Can we get follow through? That's what it implies. We've seen this kind of setup before, and it hasn't done that. So again, be cautious there. 10-year notes, a rally and a break. This implies further weakness. Be cautious about that. Bonds, very similar. The dollar value of this difference is $250 a contract. Further movement to the downside, which means higher yield, that's possible in that market. Gold holding its own with this uncertainty. Look for an inside day in that market. Same thing for silver. Copper fundamentals are now starting to firm up. The difference between the buy and sell level in that market's $1,000 a contract. In the energy market, in the crude oil, this difference from the sell to that buy level is $710 a contract. Again, Middle East tension, and look how it finished. It implies sideways to lower for Monday. Nat gas, the difference between the sell and buy level in that market, $1,100 a contract. Excuse me, but not a real strong sign for continuation to the upside. Be guarded on the long side. Our friend Mr. Bean in soybeans, the difference between the buy and sell level in this market is $450 a contract. From the sell level down to that buy level was $250 a contract. And this is bullish. It does imply upward movement, but watch the crops in South America and the planting that we see in the United States. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful weekend. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, take care.